Welcome to the Cat Museum. There's a lot to see here. A lot to see. A lot to see here. That's why I had to take a video, y'all. One man collected all of this stuff. He just passed away last year. And they're still got the cat museum going here. Everything about cats you could ever imagine. Everything about cats.
That sounds crazy, but I know the cats because I work here.
We invented a thing just like that ourselves in 1984, I think it was, called the Kitty Lure.
Oh, nice.
And we sold it at the Green Market in Sausalito.
Good for you.
That's where I met my husband.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
They love that toy.
Designer cat toys, we call them, you know.
Yeah.
They love them.
Well, we sell a lot of toys, so they definitely love toys, cats.
Yep.
Lena, can you draw something?
She didn't hear you.
I will.
She's
I'm busy.
She's in her zone. Hey guys, I want to get a family picture too on the way out. Outside that door makes a really good picture.
And there's, what did you say, 3 resident cats here? Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious.
Wait, did you see the taxidermy cat in the basket?
Yeah. Yikes.
She looks real, doesn't she? Her name was Sunshine. It was a friend of Mr. Sims, who was our curator. It was a friend of his, and she wanted to have a taxidermy, and she donated it here so we can take care of her. She lives in Wayne. She's kind of wild. Yeah.
A lot of good cat portraits here, Nora.
It's tasteful. A lot of people have been telling me they come in and they say we have our cats restarted. So that's what I said. I let her and I said, Google, right, restart my cat.
Here is a cat Ferris wheel. A feline Ferris wheel here. Feline Ferris wheel. Wow. There's Garfield. Here are all the things from like a circus and carnival. Cat games, lots of cat games. The Cat in the Hat. Crazy cats. Wow. A cat piñata. And there is a real cat in there which has been stuffed after it died. Here's all the Halloween cat stuff. Lots of Halloween cat stuff. cat banners. More cat statues. Oh, cat salt and pepper shakers, of course. Cat salt and pepper shakers. Cat orchestras. Bronze Austrian hand-painted cats things. Cat dolls. All the cat dolls.
We get some sweet ones. We got Oliver, Ollie, Gabby, Amelie, babies. There he is. There she is.
Oh, this is a great one.
She loves treats. Oh, wait, she thought of